Well, howdy there pluckers, Arthur Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had from a viewer for a lesson on a song called Let You Down by Bryan. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that Bryan plays it in. So without more to do, I'm trying to go through the whole song for you, then break it down and show you how I played it. Okay, so hopefully you'll be good to go with it. Singing as usual will be for reference purposes only, just for guidance. It's not a cover version. Okay, so without more to do, let's get to it. I'll give some worn down excuse about my misguided judgment of substance abuse. You'll stay out of pure sympathy. Ain't no point in loving a letdown like me. I will leave you broken and in words, call you and words through just to find what you do. And I can't let you down for the 100th last time. Letting down's a pick-me-up for me and my boys' kind. I'll let you down, darling, down, baby, just like times before. And you'll just keep on slamming closed, follow home like doors. I'll let you down, darling, down, baby, just like I did before. And you'll just keep slamming closed on, follow unlocked doors. You know that you make my sugar sugar. For my past lies inside me and it's branched out for my liver. But I'm not the evil one that you make me out to be. And I will let you down, and that's a damn guarantee. I'll let you down, darling, down, baby, just like I did before. Just keep slamming those closed, cold, unlocked doors. I'll go down an excuse my misguided judgment of substance abuse. Loose around the edges, but you get the gist, I'm sure. Right, let's get to it. Right, so the breakdown, introduction, and it's also played at the end. It's basically E minor to D, and when you're playing the intro and the outro and in between the verses, the instrumental bits, he plays the D, he puts his little finger onto the 3rd fret of the top E string, makes it a D suspended 4th. Very briefly, so it's okay, like that, and into a G chord, okay, and then on the intro and also the outro, he does this little slide bit, and what that is 3rd fret of the B string, the 2nd string, the B string, sliding up 3rd fret up to the 5th fret, and then he hits the plays the 3rd fret of the top E string, open top E string, and back to the E minor. So it's, I'll do it slowly for you. So it's and then we're into the verse. Okay. So we just go through that again slowly. Then we go into the verse, and the verse is all E minor, D to G. Okay, so coming out of the intro, E minor, I will give some worn down excuse intros, and during the verse there is no suspended bits, okay? It's just straightforward D chords, okay? The only suspended bits are in the instrumentally bits, okay? So let's go from the intro into the verse, and all the way through the verse it's E minor, D, G, okay? Until we get to the very last line, and then it's still E minor, D, G, but he does a single strum on each bar sort of thing. So okay, instead of strumming he just does a single sweep. Okay, so let's do the intro and the first verse. Okay, so I will give someone an excuse about my misguided judgment of substance abuse. I know he'll stay out of pure sympathy. I ain't got the point of loving a letdown like me, okay? So as I said, the last line is just single strums. Ain't no point in loving a G letdown like me. And then we play an instrumental bit, and to go into the instrumental bit, I play this. So it's third fret at the bottom E string. It's the first three notes of the G chord from 6th string, 5th string, 4th string. Okay, third on the 6th, bottom E string, second on the 5th, and open 4th string, D string. Okay, and then it's the E minor bit again, and sometimes he'll hammer into that E minor with that. It's what I think it's the 4th string he'll hammer into with that third finger from open 4th string to 2nd, right? So, and also in the instrumental bit we put that suspended on, okay? So it's, oh, so I didn't do the hammer, sorry. And then into the next verse, okay? So what we'll do now, we'll do the intro, first verse, and then we'll go into the second verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse, okay? So here we go. I will give some worn down excuse about my misaligned judgment of substance abuse. I know that you'll stay out of pure sympathy. Ain't no point in loving a letdown like me. Verse 2. I will leave you broken and in words, hold you in words through just to find out what you're doing. I can let you down for the 100th last time. Let you down and pick me up for me and the boys kind. And then it goes into the chorus, okay? And then the chorus comes in, and it's basically the same chords again, okay? So it comes out of that instrumental bit after the second verse where it goes I'll let you down, darling, darling, before. I just keep on slamming. Again, when you get to slamming, it's just a single strum. Slamming, close, G, single strum. Hollow, unlock doors. I'll let you down, darling, down, baby, just like it before. You'll just keep slamming, close, hollow, unlock doors. So last D's and the G's are all single strums. Okay, so going into that chorus again, from the end of the second verse where it does the instrumental bit. I'll let you down, darling, down, baby, just like times before. And you'll just keep on slamming and close hollow, hopeless doors. Down, darling, down, baby, just like I did before. And you'll just keep on slamming, close, hollow, unlocked doors. Play through again. And then it goes into the last verse, okay, which is exactly the same to play as verse 1 and verse 2. Okay, so, and then you go into the chorus again. You do the chorus, exactly the same as usual. And you come out of the chorus and go into the... And then you do the first part of the first verse, okay? I will give a worn down excuse about my misguided judgment of substance abuse. Instrumental, just like the intro. And there you have it. So that's all the parts you need to play the song. Okay, it's basically just 3 chords, and it's just knowing where to single strum and when to strum, and the little fiddly bits. Okay, and it's all in there. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.